In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy which I'm using to get the cheapest cost per lead for my web design agency. As you can see in my ads dashboard, I have been getting 22 leads for $5 and 77 leads for $13. Even if it's $13, this ad has been my winning ad. I don't want to switch it off, so I'm keeping it right as it is. And I started testing new ads. I test new ads every single week. And this ad, which I started testing a couple of weeks ago, I've been getting a lead for $5.90, around $6. And let me show you. So this is another ad account of my coaching member. So he started working with me a couple of weeks ago. I took care of his ad account. I set up everything. I created his ad creatives and his ad sets. And as you can see, he got 3 leads. Each lead for €2, just €2. And we are running ads in the UK market, which is a competitive market where you have to spend a lot more money to get the same leads. For example, I'm running ads on Australia. So the Australian market is a bit less saturated compared to the UK. And even with that, I'm able to help this guy to get leads for as cheap as $2. And let me show you how myself and my coaching members are getting the leads for the cheapest price possible. First option, you have to go inside the ad library, which is free. You can use it by yourself. Go inside the facebook.com/ads/libraries. And when you go inside the countries, select all ad categories, all ads. And since we are running ads for free websites, so this is the entire business model. We run ads for free website. We pitch our services as a hook, as a free website. And once they are inside the call, we upsell our services. And even if we couldn't upsell those services, we sell the free website for $97 hosting fees, or €97 or £97, whatever it may be. So our entire business model is a monthly recurring revenue business model. And for that, let's say most of the other businesses are running the similar kind of offer, like free website. And these are the 2 agencies. You can just search for free website, or you can just search for website in a whole to see what other agencies are doing. And you can just sneak around and let's say, these are the type of ads the other agencies are running in the US and the UK. So this is free website guys from I think it's the US, and the other agency is from the UK. And I started out with this, and that's how I actually wasted a lot of money, because just because this is a winning ads for the other agency doesn't mean that this is going to be a winning ad for you. And the one thing you have to take in consideration is when you're looking at the ad, look at the time. And if they are running this ad for a long time, that means this ad is working for them and this is getting them more leads. For example, 18th of August 2025. It's been a whole year and they're still spending money on this ad. So this ad has some kind of capacity which you can get some inspiration of these ads instead of just copying it right away, just like I did. So what I did is started looking at all the other agency which is inside the ads library. And trust me, you can have all the best settings. And if you don't have the ad creatives, the winning ad creatives, you cannot get a proper results. 95% of the results comes from the ad creatives itself. If people are not willing to click on the ad and leave their, let's say, information so that you can go back and contact them or book them. Right now, I have a different system which I'll be posting videos probably next week, where my leads which is coming through, they will straight away book a call with me. I just have to go on the call and try to book them. And if you want to watch that, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. And to get to the point, if you don't have any idea about creating ad creatives, this is your best option. Go inside the Meta Ads library, go inside and search for your services and search for all the agency who are doing the similar kind of services as you and look at the time of their ad creatives. And if they have been running this ad for more than a year, then it means you can take something out of it. And I've been doing this for past 5-6 months, testing and reiterating the ad creatives for myself. And after getting all the data and making my ad creatives as cheap as possible, I started helping other agency just like this. So he's from Netherlands and he's getting clients from the UK, and €2 is the best cost per lead you can find inside Facebook for our services. And the next best option for you to get more clients with the help of Meta Ads, where you can have all the settings which myself and all of my coaching members are having, and all the ad creatives where myself and my coaching members are using, is I'm going to show you some of the examples. So these are some of the examples of ads. Trust me, as you can see, you would have seen this similar kind of ad creatives inside the ad library itself. So this is what I used to do. These ad creatives are not working for me. This is working for someone else, but it's not working for me, and probably it's not going to work for you. You have to test lots of ads, and you have to create lots of ad creatives and spend a lot of money to get more data so that you can make some changes so that you can get more leads for a cheapest price possible. If you don't want to risk losing your money and waste a lot of time testing lots of random creatives, what you can do is, this is the best option inside our community, and you can get access to the community totally for free. I'll let you know how to do it in a minute, but this is where you can find the full Meta Ads course. So in this video, it's the first video, like the 40-minute long video, I will walk you through the entire step-by-step process on setting up your ad account in a best and most epic possible way, so that you can get the best possible results out of your every penny you are spending on your ad spend. And after that, this is the actual ad creative. So at the moment, it's going to be blurred. Once you get access to it, you can just copy and paste my exact ad creatives. The primary text, the description, and let's say this is another ad creative. So this one is the paid ads, and this is free ads. And you have everything. Text, headline, description for all the ad sets I'm running for myself and my coaching members. And you also have all the snapshots. And let's say, so this is the slide I'm using and my coaching members are using to get the results like this. Let's say these are the results I'm talking about. There you go. 6,000, 1,000, 750, 5,000 monthly recurring revenue, 2,000, 900, 600, so on. So this is the exact slide my coaching members are using and my community members are using to close more clients. And all the services you are seeing inside the packages and the website we're going to build is going to be taking care of the software called Go High Level. And this is the Go High Level's AI Studio, where you can just prompt the website and the website is going to build in just a few seconds. You don't even have to build the website. You can make use of my prompt, which is also inside the community, and build these websites and sell them for free. Sign them up for the monthly recurring revenue, keep on stacking the client, and start traveling just like me. And if you want to get the free trial of this software, link is in the description. And if you got the, if you sign up to Go High Level with my link and start paying for the subscription, you get access to my community and you get access to my actual WhatsApp, where you can get to ask all the questions you need. And this is the exact way all of our community members, our coaching members, are closing more clients. And if you already have Go High Level and if you still want to access our community, which is this, where you have everything, the Meta Ads strategy, a full snapshot, my sales call. If you want to access everything, give me a message on Instagram. If you can switch your affiliate under mine, if you're not getting any help from your affiliate which you used to use, and you can, if you want my help for free, You can switch your affiliate. If you want more information, give me a message on Instagram. Also, link is in the description. I can help you set up everything for free. You will start closing clients just like my community members and my coaching members. And the reason I'm not showing everything on YouTube is that if everyone is doing the same thing, no one is going to get clients. And at least by this way, I'm only working with people who are actually willing to put some effort into it instead of half-assing the strategy and ruining for themselves and for us. So I only work with few people, just like the guy I'm working with right now. So this ad account is one of my coaching members from Netherlands. And I only work with 2 coaching members, and I only work with like 50 community members. That's it. And this is how all of my coaching members and community members are getting more results, because I can concentrate on each and every members who are inside the community and one-on-one with me. And if you want a personalized setup just like this, you can click the first link in the description and let me handle everything, including setting up your Go High Level, setting up your ad account, and creating your ad creatives, where you only have to go inside the call and close these clients. If you want that, click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call, and if I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together. Or if you want to do the other way, where you can get access to the community, set up everything by yourself, take care of running the ad, setting up the ad and ad creatives, you can sign up to Go High Level with my link, or you can switch your affiliate under mine and you get free access to everything. And I hope you got some value out of this video, and I hope you can understand the reason why I have everything behind the scene and I don't show everything on YouTube, because I don't want to ruin my own business, and I don't want to ruin the results just like this for other people. So just because everyone is doing the same thing. I hope you can understand, and yeah, again, I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope to see you guys inside the community so that you can get more clients and start traveling just like me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.